class 11 12 definite integral, so that integration pi by 4 0 log 1 plus tan theta d theta equal to pi by 8 log 2. We write this equation here as I. So pi by 4 0 log 1 plus, as per definite integral formula we can write 1 plus tan, this is pi by 4 minus theta, upper limit pi by 4 so pi by 4 minus theta d theta. Now pi by 4 0 log, we put the formula tan a minus b, so 1 minus tan theta divided by 1 plus tan theta d theta. Pi by 4 0 log, simplifying we get here 2, so log 2 1 plus tan theta d theta. Now pi by 4 0, this is log 2, as per log formula log a by b log a minus log b, so log 2 d theta upper limit pi by 4 lower limit 0 minus pi by 4 upper limit lower limit 0 log 1 plus tan theta d theta. Now this is log 2 and this portion is I, this portion is I, so here is taken written as I. So log 2, it is 2i, I plus I 2i equal to this, put the value of theta pi by 4 and 0, we get pi by 4 log 2. So I equal to pi by 8 log 2. This is the proof.